Today, I want to share with you few information about good things living in Korea or even just visiting here. Take note that this is based on my own personal experience and my own perspective. First thing that I've noticed, Korea is the safest country. What I mean by that is will surely surprise you. This country, no guns, no drugs, no civilians having guns as their personal safety or self-defense. No prohibited drugs means that there's no drug addict messing around. Or I mean, I never seen yet in my 8 years here. Other than that, there is no pickpockets. And especially to those people love wearing expensive jewelry, here in Korea, you are free. What I mean by that is you can wear expensive jewelry without worrying of someone may snatch it. In addition, this country is the best to those people who always forget their important belongings like wallet, bag, cell phone, laptop, iPad, anywhere. As long as you remember where you've left it, you can surely get it, find it, or return it to you. Nobody will get it. People here will never get not their own stuff, no matter how valuable it is. I remember my mom left her iPod and phone, and when she go back actually in the park, and she found it just right there. Nobody touched it. Another thing, it is rare to see policemen in person, but CCTV camera is everywhere, and anywhere you go, you can see camera in public and private places, except inside CR. Probably that's the only place in public without camera, and inside your house. But outside your door, definitely there's camera.
Anna, 가자, 가자, 가자. 일로 와, 가자.